Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Tony. I'm the owner of Homeowner Repair. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a fuse from the fuse panel in your vehicle and how to test the fuses so you can locate the bad one. But before I get rolling to this, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of great content coming out. Let's get rolling. Okay, so what you're going to do, depending on your vehicle, on my truck right here, the access to the fuse panel is on the passenger side behind the kick panel under the glove box, but in a lot of vehicles they might be under the dash. Look at your owner's manual, it could be under the hood, but locate the location, and you're gonna have to do whatever you need to do to access it. In this vehicle, I gotta take off that trim cover for the kick panel, and then the fuse panel is right here. It has a cover on it. So I just need to squeeze the tips and remove it. It's pretty easy. A lot of times they are under the dash, under kind of like above the driver's legs underneath the steering column. So on the other side of the cover there should be like a little thing that looks like a set of tweezers. Those are it's a little tool to remove the fuse. So you take that out. You can use it to take out the fuse. But what we want to do right now is I'm going to use my test light, and if you think you have a blown fuse but you don't want to take them all out, I'll show you how to go around and test the fuses so you don't have to take them all out. What you want to do with the test light is you want to ground it with the alligator clips. So you're going to find something metal, usually like a little bolt or a piece of frame. So what you want to do is to turn the key to accessory, turn the key forward so it powers on. You don't have to start the vehicle, but then you can use your test light to test both sides of the fuse. You'll see two little metal parts, and if you just use the tip of the probe, you can see that there's power to both sides. If you don't have power to both sides, that fuse may be blown. So let's say that this fuse right here doesn't have power to it. So you're going to take the little tool and you're going to stick it in there. You're going to pull it out just like that. You can inspect it. You should be able to see like a little filament on the inside, and if it's not broken or doesn't look burnt, it should be good. So put it back in and go to the next one, or replace it if you have to replace it if it is blown. So that's all there really is to it. I hope you guys liked the video. Remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss anything. Thanks for watching, guys.